welcome to today's lecture of Unit 6, Section 6.3. اليوم راح نتكلم عن ال weak forms of words. كل كلمة عندنا باللغة الإنجليزية بيها weak form. بعدين راح تفهمون شنو ال weak form. أوكي. عندنا هاي word group اللي هي it was too expensive for them to buy. The word too expensive وال buy are stressed. So عندنا الكلمات اللي هي ال stressed، عندنا ال too، وعندنا ال expensive، وعندنا ال buy. هذني الكلمات اللي شددناهن are stressed. أوكي شددناهن. Giving it was too expensive for them to buy. Okay, notice the pronunciation of the words was for, them, and to. All of them have the vowel اللي نسميه الشوا. So هنا دي يقول لنا إنه notice okay الكلمات عندنا الكلمات ال was وال for وال them والto التو يعني to okay. All of them have the vowel شوا هذا بيهن okay. If those words are pronounced alone إذا هذني كلمات حكيناهن وحدهن يعني بدون ما ندخلهن للجملة they have the pronunciation was for, them, and to. But usually they are not pronounced alone and usually they are not stressed. So هنا دا يقول لنا لاحظ الكلمات ال was وال for وال them وال to حكيناهن in a weak form كبصورة ضعيفة يعني أوكي يعني ما حكيناها ككلمة كليتها كأنما نقول was أو كأنما نقول for أوكي ما قلنا هيجي. فهنا دا يقول لنا إنه لاحظوا من نقولهن وحدهن ومن نقولهن بالجملة. إذا نقولهن وحدهن أوكي بدون ما نحطهن بالجملة ال pronunciation مالتها راح يكون ال was, for, them, and to. Okay طولناهن هاي يسمون strong forms okay. But usually they are not pronounced alone بس لكن إحنا هذني الكلمات ما نقولهن وحدهن هيك بصورة يعني in general okay ما نقولهن وحدهن لازم ندخلهن بجمل ونحكيهن okay. And then the forms with are used. We call these the weak forms of those words. So هسه إحنا شنو اللي فهمناه من ال weak forms معناتها ال weak forms عندنا كل كلمة بيها weak form وبيها strong form أوكي. مثلا هذني الكلمات إذا دخلناهن بالجمل وحكيناها كجملة كاملة راح نحكيها بالweak form أوكي. مثلا it was too expensive for them أوكي ما قلت for them قلت for them أوكي واضح؟ اوكي سو هاي الف مو نقول for الف for them اوكي هاي يسموها الويك فورم اوكي. يعني هنا عندنا سؤال على الواز والوز اوكي it was واذا نقولها وحدها was اوكي بس هنا اذا قلناها بجمله it was. سو مثلا هنا السؤال هي صحيح لو غلط اوكي true or false هنا مكتوب short question was has two forms or one strong or weak. السؤال إنه طبعاً راح أحطه بالدescription check it out over there later on okay. So it was بيها two forms okay نوعين it was بيها it was okay اللي هو كأنما weak form was مخففة يعني وعندنا it was يعني بين قوسين it was بيها two forms عندنا it weak form اللي هو is pronounced as was and عندنا ال strong form اللي هو pronounced as was okay. ال was يعني اللي هي الأصلية يعني. Alright. English people often think that when they use these weak forms they are being rather careless in their speech and believe that it would be more correct always to use the strong forms like was, to, etc. So هنا إنه ال English people okay often think يعتقدون إنه when they use these weak forms من هم يستعملون هذني ال weak forms okay they are being rather careless يعني كأنهم ما يهتمون يعني in their speech بكلامهم أو and believe that it would be more correct always to use ويعتقدون إنه هي لازم كبصورة صحيحة إنه لازم يستعملون ال strong forms okay ولكن هم أكثريتهم يعني يستعملون ال weak forms. This is not true and English spoken with only strong forms sounds wrong. So هاي غير صحيحة لأن الإنجليش معناته هنا إنه الإنجليش بي strong forms والإنجليش يعني spoken English بي weak forms وبي strong forms. Alright. So مثلا إذا جت جملة مثلا English spoken English is done okay or is pronounced or is spoken only with strong forms okay with only strong forms. هاي يعني غلط، لأن إحنا قلنا اللغة الإنجليزية بها strong forms وبها weak forms. okay the use of weak forms okay is essential part of English speech. okay فجزء مهم استعمال weak forms. okay جزء مهم من الكلام الإنجليزي. okay English speech. and you must learn to use the weak forms of 35. عندنا طبعا راح نقرأ عن weak forms اللي هي عندنا 35 weak form English words if you want your English to sound English. إذا تريدون الإنجليزية مالتكم to sound actually like more English. alright some words have more than one weak form. okay بعض الكلمات بيها أكثر من one weak form، مثل ما قبل شوية قلنا على كلمة الوز. okay بيها الوز بيها الواز. okay so some words بعض الكلمات بيها أكثر من one weak form and the following list tells you when to use one and when the other. okay هسه عندنا هاي الليست. alright عندنا الكلمات okay الwords، عندنا الweak form مالتها، وعندنا الexamples. طبعا الإكزامبل راح يساعدكم تفهمون شلون is actually pronounced أو شلون يعني تلفظ بالصورة صحيحة. alright let's get started. أول شيء عندنا number 1 عندنا and الweak form an. okay مثلا examples pay attention to the examples. عندنا black and white black and white، ما قلت black and white black and white. الان هاي معناتها black and white. اوكي هاي مالتها الويك فورم. سو الان نقولها الان مثلا black and white. alright عندنا الas يعني اوكي as good as gold. اوكي as good as gold but okay but why not then okay better than ever better than ever better than ever. okay عندنا هسه number 5 that okay I admit that I did it. I admit that I did it. alright the word that okay أو that مثلا in phrases like that man that's good is always pronounced that and never weakened. so هنا مثلا عندنا هاي الكلمة that in phrases مثلا عندنا that man okay هذا الرجل أو that's good is always pronounced دائما نلفظها that يعني that and never weakened أبد ما نضعفها بذني يعني كأنما. عندنا الهي عندنا الويك فورم مال هي اللي هي الإي. did he win ما قلت did he win did he win. okay him عندنا الإم give him to. I didn't say give him to, I said give him to. alright his weak form مالته is I like his tie okay I like his tie. her okay take her home. at the beginning of word groups the forms he, him, his, her should be used. okay عندنا he likes it her face is red. okay so هنا يقول لنا إذا at the beginning إذا بداية الword groups the forms عندنا هذني هاي الهي والهم والhis والher لازم يستعملن strong forms. okay مثلا he likes it. alright her face is red. so basically هذني الفورمز okay هذني الwords إذا يكونن بالبداية لازم يكونن strong form. alright طبعا هم سؤال عليها يجي صح لو غلط. let's continue. عندنا them send them by post. okay عندنا us only in let's يعني letters let's أو us let's do it now he won't let us do it. okay عندنا do مثلا the how do they know okay I didn't say how do they know I said how do they know. alright the is only used before consonants. نستعمل the is before consonant before الحروف الصحيحة. before vowels use the strong forms do. so عندنا إذا قبل الحروف الصحيحة نستعمل short form. okay نستعمل weak form اللي هو the. أما عندنا إذا before vowels before حروف العلة نستعمل strong form اللي هو do. okay how do I know okay does عندنا does when does the train leave when does the train leave. alright. عندنا am مثلا تجي after I تجي بعد ال I. اوكي عندنا elsewhere بغير مكان يعني. خلينا نشوف ال examples. I'm tired. okay. when am I to be there. when am I to be there. عندنا ال R مثلا أو اوكي. عندنا ال before consonants قبل الحروف الصحيحة وال before vowels. okay. let's see the examples. the girls are beautiful. okay. the girls are beautiful. the men are ugly. the men are ugly. all right. the men are ugly. all right. عندنا ال B. okay. B. don't be rude. all right. that's clear. okay. don't be rude. عندنا ال is. عندنا ال S مثلا after هذني. وعندنا ال Z after vowels and voiced consonants except هذني و after هذني. okay. the strong form is always used, which is right. all right. خلينا نشوف ال examples. عندنا that's fine. that's fine. all right. where's Joan. Joan's here. Joan's here. يعني Joan is here. Joan's here. all right. عندنا طبعا عندنا احنا 35 وبرا هوريو ببي. عندنا هسه was. عندنا ال was اللي هي عندنا الويك فورم مالت ال was. the weather was terrible. has. عندنا is س والز هذني مالتين يعني. اوكي حتى تعرفون شو وقت نلفظهن هيجي. عندنا the place has changed. اوكي. Jack's gone. John's been sick. عندنا ال have مثلا the أو if. عندنا you've broken it. you've broken it. okay. you've broken it يعني you have broken it. بس احنا بالبريتش accent راح نقولها you've broken it. alright. عندنا ال if the men have gone. okay. the men have gone. the men have gone. had عندنا مثلا they'd left home. they'd left home يعني they had left home. they'd left home. أو the day had been fine. the day had been fine. okay. the day had been fine. عندنا مثلا راح أسرع شوية بيهن لأن بعدين الفيديو راح يكون too long. عندنا ال can. عندنا how can I help. okay. how can I help. عندنا shall. I shall be cross. okay. I shall be cross. عندنا ال will. عندنا ال ill. okay. I'll give it away. this will do. okay. the boy will lose on the girl. okay. the boy will lose on the girl يعني the boy will lose on the girl. it'll win. okay. it'll win. عندنا هنا would. عندنا d مثلا. عندنا I'd do it. I'd do it. alright. John would do it يعني John would do it. alright. عندنا must هنا I must tell him. okay. ال قلنا tell him هاي بس مالتها ال weak form. I must tell him. okay. a pound a day. have an apple. راح أقرأ بس ال examples. alright. the more the merrier. okay. I need some paper. okay. I need some paper. alright. عندنا هنا ال at come at once. okay. come at once. come for tea. okay. عندنا هنا come for a meal. come for a meal. alright. عندنا ال from I sent it from London. okay. I sent it from London. عندنا ال of طبعا ال of عندنا ال of يعني the Queen of England. alright. the Queen of England. عندنا ال to مثلا to stay or to go. okay. to stay or to go. ال or to go هنا to stay or to go. okay. يعني to stay or to go. alright. خلصناهن. the word not has the weak forms not. okay. after vowels طبعا الكلمة not. okay. عندنا two forms بيها. عندنا ال weak form اللي هو ال n و t not. okay. ال after vowels يكون بعد حروف العلة and not after consonants. الاختلاف بيهن انه هاي اللي هي السلابك ن اذا تذكروها. عندنا ال n int. okay. not اللي تكون بيها syllabic ن تكون after consonants. okay. بعد حروف الصحيحة. when it follows بعد ما تجي تجي بعد ال are is should would has have could dare might. okay. عندنا examples هسه. they ain't coming. they are not coming يعني هنا بين قوسين they ain't coming. okay. he hasn't arrived. okay. he hasn't arrived. notice especially the forms can't. هنا طبعا عندنا ال forms can't. okay. هاي مالت transcription writing can't. okay. هاي العادية يعني هاي shan't. okay. don't won't mustn't. okay. in which can shall do will must are changed when they are combined with not. so هذني عندنا ال can والshall والdo اللي هي بعدين doesn't يعني والwill alright والmust هذني يتغيرن من combined يعني يجي بعدها وياهن يعني with not اوكي ذا خلطة يعني ويا النوت يعني مثلا can't ضفنا لها not can't اوكي so هسه فهمنا على الويك فورمز قلنا الكلمات بيها كل كلمة بيها ويك فورم وبيها سترونج فورم الويك فورم قلنا هن الكلمات اللي نحكيهن بصورة أسرع وشوية ما نلفظها كل الكلمة يعني alright طبعا هذني الويك فورمز حفظوهن هذني important الويك فورمز كل كلمة وشنو مالت الويك فورم alright وإن شاء الله استفادتوا من هذا الفيديو. Hopefully I'll make another video for section 6.4 اللي هي عدد the use of strong forms. حكينا بهذا الفيديو عن الweak forms. Okay. بالفيديو اللي راح يجي بعدين إن شاء الله we'll talk about the strong forms. Okay. So thank you for watching and thank you for listening.